Welcome back to our SIStorials. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
Don't be stingy, girl. You know you want to send this to your friend because you and her need to get your makeup done.
Hey sis, so we're going to start by putting on the Urban Decay All Nighter First Primer. You always need something great to start off with so the makeup can make sure to stay on all day. Next, we're going to go ahead with the Charlotte Tilbury Magic Vanish color. And I have the color 4 Deep. And we're going to apply it under our eyes or all your dark spots. I have a big old pimple that you guys can see there. And we're going to get that on there too. Make sure to cover all your imperfections. Well, they're really not imperfections, but we're trying to elevate our look this year. So we're just going to keep adding, tap, 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 tap in. Today we're going to be using our makeup brush set by MUA Life Set from Morphe. We're going to start off with our buffer brush, which is the M444, to apply our contour. And today I'm using the TANTOUR from Huda Beauty in shade Deep. I love this new method that we've been trying, which is the reverse contour method, which I am still trying to perfect. We can be on this journey together, and please share any tips that you have. But it's been working out for us lately. I don't even do my old method no more. But we're gonna start off with our cheekbones. Yours may be high, low, wherever your cheekbone is, grab that buffer and we're gonna buff it together. We're going to start concealing with our Patmograph Concealer, which is in the shade 28, which is an orangey shade to help even out any discoloration that I may be experiencing, which you can see it's under my eyes. There's no discoloration on the bridge of my nose, but I love to apply the concealer there just so it can amplify my nose. And we'll also be using, once we apply the concealer, our Sis & Co. Chocolate Drop. Trust me, this is the best thing ever created. You're gonna love us and thank us for it, but it is best used wet so it can assist with your application process. And you see I am blending it out under my eyes, and it is going in so gently and so flawless. Like, dang girl, look at Puzzle in the back. You can go ahead and purchase your very own chocolate drop by visiting www.sisandco.com, and that's for our infomercial. Now let's go ahead and grab our favorite foundation, which is the Patmograph. I'm wearing shade number 31. It is the best foundation out here for all my chocolate, caramel, fair color, whatever color is your skin, she has a shade just for you. And we're going to be using our chocolate drop to go ahead and blend. You see how it's just melting in my skin? Like it's making everything make sense again. Like look, pimple who? Where though? Where? See, everything is gone. Blemish is gone.
Do it again. Do it again.
You're annoying.
Do it again.
She is annoying.
No. Do that. Look again, but at the camera. No, at the camera, not at me. Good job. Stay just like that. Lift it. What? Right to costa. Lift it costa. One.
As we were gladly interrupted by Savannah Joseph. No. I'm going in with another Patmograph Concealer in the shade number 22. This is to help brighten up my eyes. I removed the discoloration. Now I'm just adding some brightness to my eyes. I'm going to go ahead and let the concealer sit for a while because now we're going to get into the best part of our makeup. Let's talk brows, honey. So we're going to be using the Anastasia Dip Brow Gel in the shade Chocolate, and you can find this at any Ulta, Sephora, or you can go to Anastasia Beverly website and you can find it there. But you see, as I'm doing it upward, I start from the front of my eyebrows to the back, and any areas I feel like didn't get the juice, I go right back in it and I apply the juice that it needs. But the reason why I love this application is because of the spoolie. It makes it so much easier for my eyebrows when I'm doing it on me for it to last longer, and her products actually stay on your eyes. It does not move, rain or shine. And now I'm going in with the Patmograph Concealer, the number 22. Again, I realized that I need my eyebrows to be waxed, y'all. Like, it's been bad, but whenever you go with the lighter shade, it looks as if you had a fresh wax. So that's why I'm going in with such a light shade. And now we're going to be using another random brush from my MUA what you call them things, the MUA set that I have. And what I'm doing now, as you can see after I applied the concealer, is I'm using it to apply my Patmograph foundation back on top of my eyebrows. The reason why I do this step is because it makes it a better application. Instead of me looking like I have highlighted brows where I'm using the same color under my eyebrows on the top, you're gonna see that it gives you such a more flawless, natural eyebrow look. Like, I just left the Brow Boutique and my eyebrows are saying hello to the people. And now after I applied my foundation, I'm going to go ahead and blend everything together with the chocolate drop. And you can get your chocolate drop at www.sisandco.com, 1-800-CHOC DROP. I'm just playing. But as you can see, I'm being annoyed by Savannah, and Logan is behind me eating his snack. But what we're gonna do now is we're going to go ahead and we're going to be defining our contour again. So I'm going back with the M444 brush to deepen the contours of my nose, and I'm chiseling out my forehead and my cheeks to bring back definition to my face because of all the things that we applied. And some people may question this because, like, oh, you're applying too much product, but trust me, it works. It works. It just gives you, look, like, you don't see my nose. I look like I got a nose job by a real good surgeon. Like, dang, Sam, you look good, girl. And then now, after we complete that, we're gonna go ahead with the crowd's favorite, the Patmograph setting powder in medium 3, and we're using it to set our liquids, which is our concealed area, so it doesn't move. I'm telling you, your makeup will not move after using this product. And as you can see, I'm going under my eye, I'm putting some in the middle of the bridge of my nose, and I'm also applying it under my cheeks, not my cheeks, my chin, under on my forehead, like every area that I apply liquid, I'm using it. And I really didn't know which brush to use, but I'm going to go ahead and use the Beauty Bakery to bronze all my areas. Yo, this is the truth. Like, look at the color, it is amazing. And I'm going to also start by applying the blush. Once we're done, we're gonna go ahead with the M462 brush from Morphe to apply my blush. And the blush is the Patmograph Electric Bloom. Look at that, girl. Yes, honey, who you blushing for? But I just want to say cheers to a better me and you, and don't forget to check out part 2.
Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.